Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today we are going to discuss about the model question paper for first language English. So as we all know, your question paper is for 40 mark and each question is carrying 1 mark. 4 choices are given for each of the questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answers and shade the correct choices in the OMR given to you with blue or black point pen. So our first question, he usually cuts my hair dash. Find out the adverb. Options are A quick, B quickly, C more quickly and D most quickly. So here the answer is option B quickly. And moving on to the next question. My friend said what a beautiful scene this is. Choose the correct option and change the speech. So here you have to change the sentence into reported speech. Options are option A, my friend exclaimed that was a beautiful scene, and option B, my friend exclaimed with joy that is beautiful scene, and option C, my friend exclaimed with joy that it was a beautiful scene, and option D, my friend exclaimed it was a beautiful scene. So here the answer is option C, my friend exclaimed with joy that it was a beautiful scene. And moving on to the next question, he did not pass the test as dash he thought he would. Options are option A easy, option B easily, option C easier and option D easiest. So here the answer is option B easily. And moving on to the next question, fourth one. William is stronger than Thomas. Find out the degree of comparison. So as we all know, we have 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So here options are positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree and all the above. And here the answer is option B, comparative degree. And moving on to the next question, I dash here for a long time. The correct verb to be filled in the blank is option A no, option B knew, option C have not and option D has not. So here answer is option C, have not. And moving to the next question, they listen to music every day. The underlined word is option A noun, option B verb, option D adverb and option D adjective. So here the underlined word is listen. So listen is an action word. So because of that the answer is option B verb. Moving on to the 7th question, Jenny eats cheese dash. Write the appropriate question tag. Options are option A doesn't she, option B does she, option C is she and option D isn't she. So the answer is option A doesn't she. Moving on to the next question, I have dash had enough. Options are option A yet, option B already, option C otherwise and option D soon. So the answer is option B already. Moving on to the 9th question, identify the compound sentences. Options are everyone was busy so I went to the movie alone and option B, I cannot drink warm milk. Option C, a day without sunshine is like night and option D, because my coffee was too cold I heated it in the microwave. So based on this structure we divided sentence into 3: simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. So here the question is to identify the compound sentence. So the answer is option A, everyone was busy so I went to the movie alone. And moving on to the next question, our neighbors have dash cat and dash dog. The correct articles to be filled in the blanks are option A and, option B the a, option C a and option D and the. So here the answer is option C, A. Moving on to the next question, he went dash the market. Options are option A in, option B to, option C at and option D on. So we have to write the correct preposition here. So what is the answer? He went to the market. So the answer is option B, to. Moving on to the next question, his way of presentation is unique. Choose the correct antonym for the underlined word. Option A common, option D comparable, option C indifferent and option D wrong. And here the underlined word is unique. So the answer here is option A common. Moving on to the next question. Here we have a paragraph. Based on that we have one question also. I'm sure every boy and girl has to encounter such questions from elderly people. They would ask a teenager, "What's your aim in life, my son?" To such questions, you generally reply that you want to become a doctor or an engineer or a leader, so on and so forth. Yet, think for a while, is it the aim of the life or a means of livelihood? None of these can ever truly be the aim of life. Since many people have made their jobs their aims of life, much trouble has cropped up. So, the above picture of piece of literature is a formal letter, B diary entry, and C notice and article. So, here the given paragraph is an article. So, the answer is D, article. Moving on to the next question, the appropriate way to sign off an informal letter is option A, yours lovingly, option B, sincerely, option C, yours truly, option D, yours faithfully. Informal letter means the letter which we are sending to our friends, relatives, family members, and that we will call as informal letter. So how we will conclude an informal letter? Yes, so the answer is option A, yours lovingly. Moving on to the next question. According to C.V. Raman, the true elixir of life is option A, plain water, option B, divine amrita, option C, soil, and option D, rain-fed tanks. So, according to C.V. Raman, the true elixir of life is option A, plain water, and the imaginary elixir of life is divine amrita. So, don't get confused. Here they are asking true elixir of life. So, the answer is plain water. And moving on to the next question, when was the diary given to Annie? Option A, 11th birthday, option B, 12th birthday, option C, 13th birthday, and option D, 14th birthday. Answer is option C, 13th birthday. Moving on to the next question, a story as dramatic as the diary itself. The figure of speech used here is a simile, B, personification, C, metaphor, and D, alliteration. So it's a comparison using the word as. So the answer is option A, simile. Moving on to the next question. 18th question. Only the test of fire makes the steel. The word fire and steel represent A, heat and iron, B, difficulties and strength, option C, failure and worries, and option D, pain and patience. So here the answer is difficulties and strength. Moving on to the next question. The precious possession of Della was option A, Sheba's jewels, option B, a gold watch, option C, a long beautiful hair, and option D, her furnished flat. Answer is long beautiful hair, that is the beautiful possession of Della. Moving on to the next question. Bhattu went to Dronacharya to learn archery, option B, learn shooting, option C, get inspiration, and option D, get knowledge. So here the answer is option A, learn archery. Moving on to the 21 question. Who sent wrong man to workers' paradise? A messenger, B, aerial messenger, option C, girl, and ideal man. So the answer here is aerial messenger. And question number 22. John Masefield began his life, option A, in the darkness of the grave, option B, on this earth, and option C, in his home, and option D, in the dark womb. Where he began his life? Yes, in the dark womb of his mother. Yes. And moving on to the next question. 23. People saw a godlike youth from whom light and power seemed to emanate. This was the description of option A, Arjuna, option B, Bhima, option C, Karna, and option D, Lord Krishna. What is the answer? Yes, the answer here is option C, Karna. Question number 24. Eldest of the race, Radha's son. This is referred to option A, Parashurama, option B, Karna, option C, Bhima, and option D, Bhishma. So the answer here is option B, Karna. And moving on to the next question. Find out the answer which is explaining about Cyclops. Option A, giant shepherds who lived on the mountain. Option B, a small fellow who is interested in farming. And option C, a cunning man from Greek. And option D, an animal. Here the answer is, he is a giant shepherd who lived on the mountain. Moving on to the next question. The poet compares the human leg to a cupola, option B, building, and option C, temple, and option D, pillar. So this is the line from the poem Vachana written by Basavanna. So here the answer is option D, pillar. And the next question. The female Saurus crane sat on the blood-stained feathers to mourn the death of a male bird. Option B, express its love. Option C, hatch it into a toddling chick. And option D, show its anger. So here the answer is mourn the death of male bird. And question number 28. Who is Marian? Option A, wife of Galtier. Option B, wife of Mayer. Option C, wife of Pyrie. And wife of Jean. Here the answer is wife of Galtier. Yes, option A is the answer. And moving on to the next question. When Otto Frank freed from the concentration camp? Option A, 1945. Option B, 1985. And option C, 1946. And option D, 1986. So the answer is option A, 1945. Moving on to the next question. Madame Sofrine dealt in option A, jewelry, option B, hair goods, option C, grocery, option D, vegetables. So here the answer is option yes. Here the answer is option B, hair goods. Moving on to the next question. Love born out of the profit motive is no love. These are the words of option A, Saint Teresa, option B, William Shakespeare, option C, Mahatma Gandhi, and option D, King Richard. So the answer is William Shakespeare, option B. And moving on to the next question. Who discovered vaccination against smallpox? Options are A, Louis Pasteur, option B, Dr. Jenner, option C, Dr. Jennifer, option D, Lord Lister. What is the answer? Yes, the answer here, Dr. Jenner. And don't get confused, Louis Pasteur discovered inoculation method against anthrax. So here the question is vaccination against smallpox. So the answer is option B, Dr. Jenner. Moving on to the next question. He does not catch them, they give themselves up. Here they refers to option A, pie, option B, tart, and option C, dogs, and option D, eels. So the answer here is option D, eels. Moving on to the next question, 34. Who wrote the lesson The Eyes Are Not Here? Option A, Ruskin Bond, option B, C.V. Raman, option C, E.H. Carter, option D, Hugh Chesterman. So the author of the prose The Eyes Are Not Here is Ruskin Bond. Moving on to the next question. Who was Lochinvar? A brave young knight, a brave young king, minister, father of the bride. Answer is option A brave young knight. Moving on to the next question. In 1854, a pastor was appointed head of a college of science. B, celebrated his 17th birthday. Option C, was appointed head of a college. And option D, made his first experiment on a young Alsatian boy. So the answer here is pastor was appointed head of a college of science. Moving on to the next question. Who is Otto Frank? Anne Frank's friend, Anne Frank's brother, Anne Frank's father, and Anne Frank's teacher. Who is Otto Frank? Otto Frank is Anne Frank's father. So answer is option C. Moving on to the next question. Bullies are the easiest to lick. This suggests that it is easy to defeat the physically strong. Option B, it is difficult to fight with the bullies. And option C, it is easy to follow the crowd. And option D, it is difficult to learn the books. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is it is easy to defeat the physically strong. Moving on to the next question. Full form of CLM. What is the full form of CLM? Option A, Caroline L. Mansfield. Option B, Catherine L. Maps. Option C, Catherine L. Masseyfield. And option D, none of the above. So the full form of CLM is Caroline L. Mansfield. Moving on to the next question. Karna stood stately as a mountain peak. The figure of speech used here is option A, simile, option B, metaphor, option C, synecdoche, and option D, personification. So here the answer is option A, simile. So this is all about the question paper. Thank you students. Have a nice day and all the best for your exam. Thank you.